You do not ask yourself, PM also have the prophet that he himself believe in. You don't care. But you want that your own to excel. That's the only thing you want. Ndị by yourself. And ọnọkwa obodo oyibo nke abụkwa n'ọnọ eme church na bongo. No. You watch your dodge and you hit it again.
You see all these things, I will enjoy it. I want to tell you, as you people are making me crying every day, my son is watching me, my husband is watching me. I'm sick. I never have BP. You see, a day is coming. All of you will cry. I'm telling you.
Ọ bụ ọnụ ozugbo. Ole kọs ozugbo. I mean, let me not even go to this so that people, prophetess in the house or prophet in the house will not misunderstand me. But the issue is that one thing about the Holy Spirit of God is humility. Any pastor, any prophet, any prophetess that lack humility, you are not operating with the Holy Spirit. That's just a fact. And I will leave it here. Let's continue.
You see, let me tell you, God said that as you are seeing that those your cabinets, one of them is already gone. That day, when we had that dead human being walking, is inside your cabinet. God said that one of your cabinets is no more with us. It's no more with us. I don't want to tell you this thing before. I don't want to break your heart. But let me tell you this thing because you want to kill me. So let me know. Most of the thing again, that day, even me, I asked God, sending this, please, can my PM with pastor be talking together so that I can get myself. I didn't have answer. I tell pastor. The same day the pastor you want God, and this thing can he be sending this message direct to you? But God said no. So we can never do what God did not send us. This is my only good. God, you put it down here. And I can never allow no people to do me anything. You people can keep on insulting me. Tell us to calling me gossiper. I want to know what that do me bad thing cannot go free. I'm grateful. I think it's one of the people get up now. It's music. The day this one of you to cabinet is at. Okay. Oh yeah, but I know that person is not no more in this planet. But sometimes that the king gets this is my voice. I'm not going to break because I don't know to say bam. You can do. Oh yeah, Juro. Maybe the Juro, yeah. Emmanuel, yeah, Jesus. You can do. Oh yeah, Juro, yeah. Nah, if they go, guys, if they go, guys, if they go, that action. I'm going to be in that. Give it to me, baby.
This Noya Gada. I was thinking that Noya Gada maybe add up on Okukwe, but Okoya and Okuya here. And since then, anyway, let me not get it because I Chineke Melomba Vela. Chineke Melomba Vela. But anyway, let's continue.
People happy is I'm not talking about wrong.
All right, everyone is just listening to what Carolina said. There are many voice notes which I've never listened to. The point is that after Finland Convention, this woman has been bombarding me with all manner of messages from God I don't know. First of all, I want to make it very clear. I am Ekpa Simon Njoku. I believe in God, but I don't believe in any pastor. I don't believe in anybody giving me message. I have always said it even on the live program. Nobody